back to my YouTube channel. My name is Addie. For those of you that are joining for the first time, like, you guys are welcome. It means a lot to me and you're just taking your time to watch this video. So this is a makeup tutorial on using concealers instead of foundation. So I achieved this look just using concealers and just, you know, powder. I did not use foundation because I believe foundation is like the base for you know, all of this, but I did not use foundation. It's just, there's a mix up. There's like, you know, you just want to mention concealer but then you feel like you have to mention foundation. No, I did not use foundation for this makeup, and it's just something I've been trying, and I just felt like, let me just show you guys, put it out there for you guys to see. So I achieved this look without foundation. I mean, it's so hot and I just feel like, let's just skip foundation. Like, but the most important thing of this look is your prep, like your preparation, how you prep your skin. That's the base, that's your foundation for this look. So you guys just stay tuned as I show you guys how I achieved this look. So guys, for this kind of makeup, you want to make sure that your face is prepped, like very prepped, because that is the foundation of your makeup, because we're not using foundation. You get what I'm saying? The foundation of your makeup, you're not using the foundation. You feel me? So my face is prepped. I'm just gonna go in and just, you know, finish up and just make it extra prepped, if there's anything like that. So I'm using the Urban Skin RX moisturizer with SPF 30, and just like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm always ranting about SPF. It's very important. You don't want to go out without SPF. Like, you just don't want to do it. And I'm watching you guys, those of you that go out without SPF, like, you guys should please protect your skin. It's very important. It's not for now. You might not see the use right now, but trust me, you will eventually. So this does not leave any white cast. It doesn't do anything. It's just I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and this is a mini size, a trial size, and I just have this feeling that brands or like products, they actually put more in their mini size than than the actual like the big size, because for one reason or the other, I think the mini size actually works. I mean, they work better than the actual size. So, and I always try to like get mini sizes first before you know, trying the big one, just in case I don't like it. And this, fortunately, I'm not out of this yet. I told you guys, prepping your skin is very important. If you know you want to achieve this look, is very important. And this strobe cream from MAC, I also got the mini size just to try it out. I haven't really tried it out yet, but just to, you know, I'm using it for the first time. I'm just gonna go in and just do this. So just use this. Yes, this. Shine, you know, yeah. And that was why I actually got it. I was looking for like a illuminating primer. I've actually tried this method before, and I just love the finished look. You get what I'm saying? So now the skin is prepped. I'm done with all the hydration, my lips prepped and everything. So now we're gonna go in concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mocha. And I just got this and I've been trying it. I heard it's good, so I'm just gonna try this first. And yep, that's gonna be like a base. So remember, we are just using concealer, no foundation. So you might want to start off with, you know, just concealing that before I go in with the lighter concealer. And guys, I'm not going to be dragging it all the way, because I kind of have like a, you know, I have this, I don't have a white face, but like I don't want it to be white, so I just kind of limit the concealer to just this area here. So that's what we're doing. So right now I'm just gonna go in also with a concealer for contouring, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 435 Coffee. Just so guys, I'm just gonna leave this underneath to dry a little and just, you know, contour, and let me just, you know, try this up. And I'm done with that, so I just go in and just conceal this, blend out the concealer under it. So just go in and just go in and just conceal. So after that, I just go in with a lighter concealer to just, you know, conceal. Remember, we are just using concealer in this tutorial. So I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend. This is one of my favorite concealer. Like, I can't tell you how happy I was to get this. So just conceal. I don't drag it all the way. I just conceal over here and just there. Just there. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go in and just I think it's dry now a little, so I'm just gonna go in and just blend, and I just, yeah, it's dry. Just, you know, it's just the product I put here. I'm just using to expand. I'm using it to just, you know, make this oval. Remember, we're not dragging it all the way. I just bringing it down. Just conceal it right here. I love this CoverGirl True Blend concealer. I love it so much. It's just, are you guys seeing this finish? Are you guys, can you see this at all? This is dope, and you don't need foundation for this. Gosh, makeup is fun. Blend the concealer with the contour. Just blend it together so there's no like harsh lines or anything. So just blend. You get what I'm saying? Just blend. Just wanna blend that, you know, the ash lines and everything, so we don't like see, like, so the demarcation is like not obvious, if you get what I'm saying. So just blend this up with my brows. Can you guys see what I'm saying right now? Honestly, I don't know if I know I'm not the only one saying this. Like, I definitely am not the one saying this. I'm gonna go in with the Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC, and this is just before setting. I'm just gonna go in and just, this, I like to do this, just this before setting powder and after setting powder. So just, you know, just dab and just on the eye, making sure that I'm doing this right, because I have deep eye, under eye, like if you notice. But I'm really worried about it, but not worried about it at the same time, because I can't let it stop my shine. You know, if you stop my shine. So I'm just gonna use this. You see what I'm doing right now? Just blend, like making everything just blend together. Like there's no beef between contour and highlighting. There should be no beef. Y'all should just blend together. You guys are brothers and sisters. You guys should just blend. That's the goal. Too Faced Sexy Powder, the translucent powder, and just I'm just pushing the products in. It's not like I'm not leaving any product, but I'm just pushing the product in so that it can set. You know, that's what I'm doing. Going in and just finish up my brows, then we come back to the eyes. Just give me 5 minutes, okay? Okay, you know what? I don't want to waste your time. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. My brows are done. I didn't really want to define it, like just stroke like brows. That's what I wanted to do. And sometimes I just want to like define and make it very obvious, and sometimes I'm just like, just make it natural and just not too obvious. So I'm just gonna go in and just use this Essence palette. I got this for my birthday and I decided to just use this. So I'm gonna be using, the names of the shades are not there, but I'm gonna be showing. So right now I'm just gonna go in and use this one right here, and just use this as like a base. Guys, I'm not the best at eyeshadows, but I know, like, because of the kind of eyes that I have, if I'm trying to apply, I just like look up so that I can see where the crease and brow bone ends and all those stuff like that. You get what I'm saying? Like, just see where everything ends. Let's drag this up a little. Just do the same right here. Look up. And use this one. And just bring it out. Finish up with this shade here. I don't know what color this is. I'm also bad with colors as well. So just do this and then just bring it out. Yeah, my lid. Yeah, fall out. I like this. So what I do is I just go in, after doing all of this, I just go in and just like mix everything together. So let's do this. I just mix everything together, like just, I don't want to have any ash lines or anything, so just go in and just, you know, something like that. And but there's like not like there's no demarcation. Like I said, like there's no, you know, oh, this is where this ends, this is where this starts. I'm just gonna go in and just use my lashes, and I'll be right back. I use my MAC Mineral Skin Finish to just dust off the excess from the fallout, and just do that. And just blush and just use this. This is a favorite of mine. I've just used it once and I really love it. Just use this and just Milani baked highlighter in the shade Rosa Italiana. Ooh, Rosa. This is a product I'm just trying for the first time, and I like it. So and I just line my lips with this lip liner from MAC. Then with this Mented lipstick in the shade Mented 5. Just use this. Love it. Somebody please remind me why I'm just waking up on this product. Just a tiny bit. And just this is the finished look. My hair all straightened up. And guys, if you want to see how I achieved this this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. So I'm just kind of feeling extra right now, and I've been trying to get accessories. So let's see if this. Oh, I feel like a princess. Every girl is a princess. It's so cute. Like I've been getting hair accessories, and it's so beautiful. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Like you guys, I've been seeing like in some people leaving comments and just communicating, and I'm always excited to like respond to you guys. So please always leave comments. Everything that I use will be linked in the, or will be put, I don't know if I can link them yet, but like we will put in the description box below. Please, again, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. And yes, don't forget to use SPF and your mask. Bye.